If you are tired of getting rug pulled, or you have tried creating coins, but nobody is buying your coin, which makes you lose money. Even if you are a total beginner wanting to make thousands of dollars launching meme coins, this video shows you a working method. Hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go. Creating successful coins is really not that hard. Go to PumpFun, look at the coins that are trending. Make derivatives of the current meta, and ask yourself if you are going to buy it if you see it on PumpFun. If yes, then launch it. Or you could make an utility project. Create an amazing website and a verified Twitter for the project. I'm going to be launching my coin with LexoraAI.buzz. This website is the all-in-one tool. It can help you promote your coin after launching, which I'm going to be showing you an example so you can try this out yourself. I'm going to promote my coin with just 0.4 Solana, which is better than paying $300 for deck screener. Input my coin name and image. Add 1 billion tokens. Now you need to have these 3 features selected if you want anyone to buy your coin. These are what makes your token look attractive to investors and shows token integrity. Click on Mint Token, send exactly 0.4 Sol to the wallet provided. Once the transaction is confirmed, your token would be minted. Head to Add Liquidity. I advise adding 900 million tokens to the liquidity pool. Also, you can add whatever amount of Solana to the liquidity pool. You can always get it back even if no one buys your coin. Always add 80% of your remaining portfolio to the liquidity pool. The higher the better. I've seen people add 0.2 Sol up to 50 Sol. For this video we are adding 0.3 Sol. This is because we are purchasing marketing for the coin. You would see the potential of the tool. Complete the payment. Our liquidity pool is live. Quickly copy the contract address. Head to the Promote Coin section. This is where the magic happens. Paste your token address. I personally recommend buying the Chinese marketing and Twitter shilling. It's the best one and it's cheap. Purchase successful. Let's head to our coin on Deck Screener. Holy moly! You can see the buys that got in. This is the power of the marketing we purchased earlier. Do not launch coins without purchasing marketing. No one will tell you this, but I will. Let's check how much we have in our liquidity pool. We are up 10 Sol. Click on Remove Liquidity, and we have successfully made over 9 Sol in profits. Don't be sidelined. Link to Lexora AI is pinned in comment and description. Good luck.